Welcome to today's thoughtful moment with me, Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer. The power of rewards. Ask any dog owner and they will tell you the best way, and maybe the only way, to train a dog is to use a system of incentives. In short, a reward, whether it's a pat on the head, verbal praise, or even a small treat. All these go further than any other method. Why does this work? Rewards create focus. If you doubt the truth in this statement, try holding a dog biscuit in front of your golden retriever and see just how focused your dog becomes. Humans work much the same way. We absolutely love rewards. It's why we get excited when our boss tells us we did a good job. And maybe we get a raise we're looking for as well, right? It's the basis of every award banquet and the foundation of many highly successful weight loss regimens, such as when you say, when I reach this point, when I lose this many kilos, I'm going to buy myself a new wardrobe. So if you find your focus is flagging, maybe it's time to instill some rewards into your trajectory, or change the rewards you've got because they're not working for you. Knowing you're going to get a real treat when you succeed has a way of honing that laser intensity focus. Hey, maybe those dogs are a lot smarter than we gave them credit for, right? Now let me help you experience rewards with your sales conversations. Use the link you see on the screen there, peterbeckenham.com/discovery. for a complimentary laser-focused coaching call to sort out your #1 sales challenge.